Hello and welcome. I was actually having a little paint session all on my own and not filming at all. And I was just going over some canvases that I wasn't particularly happy with and reusing them. And I just discovered a fabulous little thing. This here, I'll bring you down closer when I've finished. I'm going to recreate it again on this board. And see, it's absolutely fabulous. It was just an idea I had and it is stunning. So I'm gonna yes, try and recreate it. I literally got my white, so the pouring medium and our mix it is underneath this. Oh geez Louise, nothing special on this one. So this is, I'm going to do it exactly as I did that other one. See if I can recreate it. I just got a little cup, and it is actually just a basically just a dirty pour. So this is in there is my champagne gold. I'm just coming to the end of it, so hence why I got the lid off, and then this is just my white. So this is exactly what I did, and I'm going to try and recreate it and show you. This is the phthalo blue. I think I went back with the I've got marbles in there, so I don't want my marbles to fall in. I always put marbles in, shake it up, it helps mix the paint. And then more white. And then I actually put a bit of this green deep or moss green in it. Doesn't show any green in that. I don't know where that went. It doesn't show any green. Oh, I can see green tinge there. And then I'm going to just go back with the white. Might put a little bit more blue in this one. This was with a little special twist in this one. I just thought I would try it, and I just can't believe the result is fabulous. I hope I don't drop me marble. Right, okay, so this is exactly what I did. Just did it over a pre-poured canvas, and I just did this, just a dirty pour. Actually, I obviously had more white in that one because... So I done that. Move that one over slightly. And then I got some gold spray paint. Yeah, just gold spray paint, and I sprayed it on my pour. So that, I should have worn a mask. It's already started to come up in these fabulous little cells. Oh, you should be wearing a mask, and I should be wearing gloves. But I'm so excited because the results, look at the gold settles on the top, the spray paint, and seems to cause an absolutely crazy, fabulous reaction in the paint. It's just stunning. I'll have to bring you down. But it leaves the spray paint sitting on the top to create this fabulous look. I'm going to bring you down and have a close-up look at that. So this was the first one I did. And you see this gold spray paint sitting on the top? It just created a fabulous effect. But look at where the spray is obviously just touched in different areas, and it is stunning. What a little gem to find, to come across while you're experimenting. Like I said, was just doing it without my camera, just trying different things as you are as an artist, always trying to find. And look, I mean, look at this. So, I'll really have to do a big one for my hallway at home. Look, the gold sitting on there. It is fabulous. That was the one I did not in the camera, but look at this one. I've obviously put more blue in here than that one had, but look how the gold is sitting in the cell. I haven't added any heat or anything. And then the gold has this lovely shimmer on the top. So I'm going to leave these to dry. Oh, look at that. And see how they dry. But I've never got this reaction in the paint before. So that is fabulous. It looks like the world, doesn't it? Oh, I'm so excited about this. I really want to do one in reds now. So I'm going to mix paints, and I'll probably actually not the reds. Maybe I will go with the goldy, earthy tones and even burnt umber. I can't believe it's just left that. That's fabulous. What a find. What a find. So excited about that. Love it, love it. Hope you do too. I'll put some photos on at the end.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway shade our leisurely goodbyes, in your terry cotton sweater with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing you were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
There you go. Different effect. I probably didn't need as much paint, but I was actually going to cover the actual whole of the canvas and not leave any negative space, but I actually like that. So just another little idea. It gives a lovely effect, I must say. I think if you did them in the blues or lilacs, it'd give more of an agapantha look. So lovely, another little idea. On with the next one.